In this video, you will learn how to use LazyPay later in Swiggy. Update and open the Swiggy app. Make sure your Swiggy app is updated to the latest version, then open it and log in. Go to the payment settings, tap on your profile icon and go to the payment and refund, then open payment modes and enable pay later options. Select pay later. This may appear as Zip or LazyPay. Complete the one-time password verification to activate it. Add items and choose pay later at checkout. Add your desired food item at the cart. At checkout, choose pay later as the payment method. Place the order. Confirm and place the order using pay later. Swiggy will process the payment instantly while you pay later. Repay the bill on time. Repay your balance through the app under the pay later or wallet section. Make sure you can pay by the due date to avoid any late fees or penalties. Now you know how to use Pay later in Swiggy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.